Breonna Taylor case is asking a judge to be allowed to speak publicly so that the truth may prevail.
My client wants to make sure the truth gets out. My client wants to make sure that anything that happened in there becomes something of public knowledge to the extent it's legally allowed to.
Typically, grand jury proceedings are kept secret by law.
At this point, I don't think it's appropriate for us to release any information.
Last week, Kentucky Attorney General Daniel Cameron cited an ongoing FBI civil rights investigation for why that information should not become public. But now he says he'll comply with the judge's order to release it by tomorrow. His office says we have no concerns with grand jurors sharing their thoughts on our presentation because we are confident in the case we presented. That case resulted in wanton endangerment charges for former Louisville officer Brent Hankison for firing bullets that ended up in a neighboring apartment. Hankison has pleaded not guilty. None of the officers involved was charged with causing Taylor's death during a botched drug raid in March. Cameron says the actions of two other officers were justified because Taylor's boyfriend shot at them first. Last week, as the decision sparked protests across the country, Cameron declined to specify whether his office recommended more serious charges to the grand jury. Now he says the only charge recommended was wanton endangerment. Taylor's family is calling for a new special prosecutor.
I do not believe that the Attorney General's office presented the most serious charges to the grand jury. I think that his office made the determination themselves.
The grand juror's request is extremely rare. Legal experts say one of the only other examples was following the 2014 police shooting of Michael Brown in Ferguson. Again, we expect those grand jury recordings here to be released tomorrow.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.